It's January, and in many areas, that means it's time to start our seeds for the spring garden. Here is a quick and easy DIY seed starting mix. We have peat moss. There is some controversy in using peat moss. However, I've done my research. This product comes out of Canada, where they have sustainable methods that they're practicing there. And this is an organic product, and so I feel comfortable using it. We also have organic perlite and organic vermiculite. And it's simply 4 parts peat moss to 1 part perlite to 1 part vermiculite. Here is the mixture, and then I'm just going to mix it up. Here is the finished product, and it's super nice, light, and fluffy. You can also add worm castings as your fertilizer, and then you would just add 1 part worm castings, 1 part perlite, 1 part vermiculite to the same 4 parts peat moss. I have rabbits, worms, and goats, so I'm just going to make a compost tea to water my seedlings. Doing this recipe 3 times gave me that much, maybe 1 cubic foot, and I used 1 8-quart bag of vermiculite, only a tiny bit of this huge bag of peat moss, and not quite a full bag of perlite, also 8 quarts. The perlite and vermiculite are about $8 a piece, and this huge bag of peat moss is $20, but we barely made a dent in it. In my area, I have not been able to find a good source of seed starting mix. In the past, I've used Pro Mix. 2 cubic feet ran me about $15. I'm not sure what it's running this year, but for not even $20, I got over a half size of this tote. The little tiny bags at my Walmart of seed starting mix are $5 a piece. So to me, I'm saving money. Plus, I'm making a great product. The seed starting mix elements were not easy for me to find. I could not find any locally in my town. We had to drive 45 minutes to Fort Smith, Arkansas. And there I was able to find the peat moss and the perlite. The vermiculite I had to order online. So in case you need to swap out elements, the perlite is for great drainage and strong root growth, and it insulates the plants from temperature changes. The vermiculite is good for nutrient retention and for proper aeration for superior root growth. And the peat moss is a soil conditioner that helps regulate air and moisture around the root system. And it's super light and fluffy. I used this last year and had the most amazing seedlings. So please let me know if you use this and if it works for you. Happy growing season.